We are currently living in algorithmic life, and life will continue to be more and more algorithmicized. There is no way to stop digitalization, datafication, platformization, algorithmization, metaverseism, and so on. The pandemic has accelerated these processes. There is no way to go back in time to our previous home. There is no way home. So where do we go from here? If there is anything to learn from the greatest crisis of our time, the pandemic, is probably the strength of our true collectivism that is not simply driven by algorithmic processes, but notably the rhythms that connect our various spaces of being and doing. The rhythm facilitates the creation of alternative spaces and networks of community, solidarity, and humanity. Human agency, our agency, is central to our survival, and therefore it is central to our future too. So what should I do? Where should I go to secure my future in such an algorithmic world, you may ask? There is no real answer to that. There is no simple recipe to thrive in the labyrinths of algorithms. But I will share you a little of what I have learned from life, living in this world and roaming on earth for a while now. Injustice is such an intimate word for me. I grew up in Dayeuhkolot, an industrial slum in the outskirts of Bandung, Indonesia. There, poverty and deep inequality were entangled with horrific industrial and environmental injustice, where the level of high metal toxicity in the water we consume was, and probably still is, the worst in the world, causing various serious health risks, including cancer. My parents never finished high school. I had no role model, no resource, no capital to succeed in life. In fact, kids born in the Dayeuhkolot were programmed, were algorithmicized to fail. I knew that I had to fight that injustice. Injustice, that is what is at the core of my journey from my youth to now. Algorithms can make unjust and unfair systems seem fair and equitable, and that is not right. As we think about algorithmic approach to injustice, I will leave you with 3 challenges that I hope you can consider in your path forward. First, don't get stuck in the algorithmic loops. Reject the convention. Seek whom you truly are and embrace yourself. Sure, as you click, scroll, and swipe, you may feel like you are making your own choice, affirming your uniqueness, and exercising your freedom of expression. But we know there is an illusion. Despite the exponential growth of content we consume, algorithms compromise the diversity and quality of what we see and enjoy. The unexamined life is not worth living, said Socrates. I agree with him. And to truly examine ourselves, we must question the social norm, implicit assumption, and historical condition that have shaped us. If not, we are essentially trapped in the cycle or perpetual structural inequalities that had shaped our past and continue to shape our future. Second, should we just accept the algorithmization of everything? No. Challenge the unacceptable. Injustice, inequality, greed, exploitation are all normal in the world we inhabit, but they are unacceptable. Algorithms tend to perpetuate the status quo. It is our moral duty to challenge this, whether we are directly involved with data-driven algorithmic decision-making or not. Third, take side. Hack the algorithms if you can. Create algorithm for justice when you see an opportunity to do so. And on the very least, get into the rhythms of the collective of those who try to shape the world for better. If you follow these 3 principles, I assure you that your future will be so bright. I need my sunglasses. Thank you.